Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to print or download a diary. A practitioner or receptionist may require a hard copy version of the diary to plan and prepare for an upcoming day. Alternatively, if an audit of the diary is required, then the audit diary can be downloaded with all the necessary information. From the diary screen, click on the Print Diary button to open the Print Diary screen. The user is able to print diaries over multiple days. Click on the Date From field to open a date picker and select the date from when the user would like the printing or downloading to occur. Click on the Date To field to open another date picker and select the last date that the user would like the printing or download to occur. Deleted bookings can be included in the document if the user ticks the Include Deleted Bookings checkbox. Additional checkboxes are given where the user can tick and untick the desired information to show on the diary. Please note that all the additional checkboxes are ticked by default. If the user would like to download the diary into an editable CSV format, click on the Download CSV button. The file will automatically download and can be opened in a program that supports CSV files, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Click on the arrow next to Download CSV if the user would like to access additional options. The user is able to email the CSV file as well as email and download an audit diary. Click on the Print PDF button if the user would prefer to have a PDF format of the diary. Click on the arrow next to the Print PDF button for an additional option. The user is able to email the PDF file to the desired recipient by clicking on the Email PDF button. If the user has completed the necessary process and would like to return to the diary screen, click on the Close button.